This channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 best email marketing tool in this video. So this video, I'm going to show you the best email marketing tool in 2024. As you can see here, we have MailChimp here. MailChimp is one of the best email marketing tool right now. Okay, as you can see, you can do automation, you can do Sims, you can do so many things here. So MailChimp is one of the best email marketing tool in 2024. As you can see, you can do so many things here, and they have a good pricing, which you can see if you can afford it. Okay, so MailChimp is a very good email marketing platform. I've tried it, and seriously, it's worth it. Okay, so MailChimp is a very good email marketing tool here. The reason why I love MailChimp is that they allow you to automate all of your sales process. As you can see, drive more growth with our integrations. They also integrate with Canva, Shopify, Google Analytics, and Instagram, and so much more. That's why I love MailChimp. Okay, so you can use MailChimp for email marketing. The second tool I'm going to share is Get Response. So I know many of you have noticed some, but still Get Response is one of the most powerful tools you can use right now. As you can see, you can send email faster than whatever. As you can see, you can also create a free account, no credit card required. Okay, as you can see, so Get Response is one of the best again email marketing tools, and they have an affordable plan which is $19 every month. So Get Response is one of the best email marketing tool I can assure you about. As you can see, 100% open rates, almost 160 countries available in. As you can see, they have a lot of things here. Also a lot of Get Response. As you can see their pricing here starting from $19 per month. Okay, which is you can say unlimited emails, AI powered email marketing, automated email sequence, landing page builders, all of that. That's why I love Get Response too. It also allows you to build a website, build a landing page, and all sign up forms. So in Get Response, you can do so many things, and you can even do integrations in Get Response too. Okay, you can do integrations with email, Facebook, WordPress, PayPal, Stripe. They allow you to integrate with so many things right here. Okay, so Get Response is one of the best email marketing to me, to be honest. Okay, all you have to just create an account, and they also have a course. If you create an account, they'll show you a course which will guide you how you can use the tool very well. Okay, so the second email marketing I'm talking about is Go High Level. I know some of you are familiar with Go High Level, but still, High Level is one of the best. I can say it is almost the best email marketing tool in the industry. You cannot only do email marketing, this is for businesses and for companies. Okay, so you can also use it for email marketing tool, which is very useful. As you can see, evaluate your marketing and sales with good Go High Level. As you can see, they have a 14-day free trial here. As you can see, they are award-winning platform. Okay. As you can see, they are trusted by Capterra and Google and all of that. As you can see, their leads are counting in billions. Yeah, their conversion, their it's counting in billions, 14.7 billion conversions. Okay, you can see their leads, how many leads. You can see 1.4 million plus businesses are using this tool. Okay, so as you can see, Go High Level is one of the best email marketing tool you can use. It's not just an email marketing tool, you can use it for your business. It's just like you have an entire business in your hand. Even them, they have an integration with ClickFunnels, Facebook, Google, and all of that. Okay, so Go High Level is one of the best email marketing tool. Go High Level is not just an email marketing tool. It's a business tool. Let me just say it's a business tool. Okay, so you can go and try it out. It's a very nice tool. That's why I love Go High Level. It's an award-winning platform, and they have 247 customer support. Okay, so Go High Level is one of the best email marketing software right here. As you can see, they have a starter plan which is $97, and they have unlimited access to $297. Okay, which is very great. They are award platform. If you are a business or you like email marketing so much, or you like to do a business in one single platform. So, I highly recommend. Go High Level. As you can see their success stories are here with the people that use it. Okay, so that it. Go High Level is one of the best email marketing to out there. You can go and try it. Okay, and please, if you have any value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay. So let me see this. The fourth email marketing tool I'm talking about is going to be System.io. So System.io is one of again the best email marketing tool. Okay, as you can see, get the world's easiest in one marketing platform. As you can see, it's free forever, but they have a limited. I mean, if you register, they have a limited. I mean, some things you can do inside. Okay, you have to buy a domain in order for you to send those automated emails and all of that. As you can see, no credit card required. It's free forever. Yes, it's free forever, but quite all that once you are using it, I mean, you pass a week or you pass so many days you're using it, you highly recommend to subscribe with their plan. That's what I'm telling you now, to be honest with you guys. Okay, as you can see, it's not just an email marketing tool. You can also create sales funnels. You can also do you can also send email marketing. You can build a website and you can manage your affiliates. You can create your online courses. You can automate your marketing. You can do so many things here. As you can see, so System.io is one of the best email marketing tool out there right now. Okay, as you can see, you can use funnel builder. All of that in System.io. Okay, System.io is one of the best email marketing tool I can recommend to anyone. If you're low in cash, System.io is one of the best email marketing to update because they have a low pricing plan, which is I think it is $17. Okay, you can go and try it out. Okay, so the last one in our list is going to be Mailgun. Okay, Mailgun. If you're a bulk sender email marketing, if you send bulk emails, this tool is a paramount for you. So bulk and Mailgun is one of the best email marketing out there to send bulk email. Okay, as you can see, it's one of the best email marketing box sender tool. Okay, that's why I highly recommend if you send bulk emails, if you want to send 100, 1000, 5000, 10,000 emails, this tool is paramount for you to send bulk email. Okay, this is one of the most powerful tools in sending bulk email. To me, I've never ever seen the most powerful tool to send bulk email than this tool. Okay, as you can see, you can send bulk email for free. You can send bulk email 100 bulk email for free, which to test their platform, which is super great. And don't forget, all of these links, all of this website I'm talking about is going to be linked in the description of this video. Okay, so Meligon is one of the best email marketers out there. You can go and try it. They have a affordable plan. They have an affordable plan which you can see if it is available and if it is good for you. Okay, as you can see, you can send 100 emails per day for free, completely free. Okay, as you can see, you can upload to your plan. They have $15 plan, $35 plan, $90 plan. So you can see you can send up to 5,000 emails and validate emails within the $90 per month plan. I mean, you can send 100,000 emails. You can send 100,000 emails. Okay, in the 35 in the $35 plan, you can send 50,000 emails. As you can see all of that, and you can see their integrations. You can see their monthly average options. You can see all of that. So Meligon is if you send bulk email. Meligon is one of the best bulk email sender right now. As you can see, you can send up to 2.5 million emails, which is, I mean, you're not going to be doing all of that, I know. So as you can see, the more you increase the plan, your money is going to be higher. Okay, as you can see here, the money here is going higher. Okay, so that is it. This all these platforms are one of the best email marketing platform right now. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any question, please comment down below. And all of the links of this website is going to be linked in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.